Hey everyone, welcome to Online Education Academy ZD. In today's lesson, we're doing dividing powers with the same base. So it's going to be equals to 3 to the power 4 over 3 to the power 7. So it's going to be 3 to the power 4 minus 7. So what is 4 minus 7? 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is going to give us, it's going to be equals to 3 to the power 4 minus 7, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's going to be minus 3. 3 to the power minus 3. Which you can further simplify is equals to 1 over 3 to the power 3, which is can be written also as 1 over 27. 3 to the power 3 is 27. Thank you very much for your time. Don't forget to subscribe.